How to use Loom in Upwork. All right, guys. So your first step would be to install Loom. You can install it as an extension onto your computer by clicking on Install Chrome extension once you're on the Loom website. So once you click here, you just simply install it and log into your account. All right. So basically, this is what it would look like once you've signed into Loom itself. And on here, you can find the videos you have created. You can find a link you can easily share. So using the record a video option on Loom, you can easily record videos such as your projects, your designs, websites, edits, or results, as this feels more personal than screenshots. That way, they get to hear your voice, see your face using the camera option, and also you could have your voice detected. All right. So you could also use Loom to create a proposal. So when you're applying for jobs, you could record a custom Loom video for your client where you mention the client's project, your solution, and your experience. And then you could easily copy your link after by clicking on copy link and then simply sharing it as a shareable link onto Upwork. Just paste the link into the Upwork application, use it in your proposal, your messages, and your project updates. And then you could simply use Loom for client updates where you can, send progress updates, bug explanations, revisions, and tutorials. Basically, clients prefer short videos, clear communication, and direct explanations. And you can get this done using Loom and the various features that are within the Loom application or software. All right, guys.